Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today I am going to discuss another problem on final account. This is lecture number 8 and you can see the other lectures in the playlist section of the channel. I would like to request all the viewers to subscribe my channel and to browse the playlist section of the channel where you can find lectures on accounts, costing, financial management and management accounting. From the following information of Mr. Q, prepared trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2020 and a balance sheet as on that date. So we have the trial balance, and on the debit side we have opening stock of rupees 50,000, purchase 4 lakh, wages 30,000, salary 50,000, carriage inward 10,000, insurance 15,000, building 5 lakh, furniture 4 lakh, return inward 12,000, cash at bank 50,000. And on credit side we have sales for rupees 8 lakh, discount received 10,000, dividend received 5,000, return outward 8,000, bank loan 3 lakh, capital 3 lakh 94,000. So total of debit and credit side of the trial balance is 15 lakh 17,000. We have the following adjustment entries. Closing stock is to be valued at rupees 60,000. Annual insurance premium has been paid up to 31st March 2021. Depreciate tangible assets at the rate of 6% per annum. Salary outstanding rupees 20,000. Cash drawn from bank by the proprietor for personal use rupees 12,000. So let me first discuss about the adjustment entries. So the first adjustment entry is regarding the closing stock. So it is given in the question that the closing stock is valued at rupees 60,000. So this 60,000 will be shown on the credit side of the trading account as well as on the asset side of the balance sheet. So we will record closing stock on trading account and on balance sheet. The second point is regarding the prepaid insurance. So your journal entry will be prepaid insurance account debit, and the amount will be as 15,000 has been paid for 15 months. So there is a prepaid expense for 3 months. So from January to March. So 15,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 15 and you will get 3,000 rupees. So prepaid insurance account debit 3,000 to insurance. And what will be the impact of this journal entry? There will be a reduction of insurance from the amount of 15,000 by 3,000, and 12,000 will be debited to PL account and 3,000 prepaid insurance will be shown in the balance sheet. The third item is regarding depreciation on tangible assets at the rate of 6%. So you need to pass two journal entry. Number one is depreciation account debit to building. You have a value of building in the trial balance for rupees 5 lakh. And 6% of rupees 5 lakh is 30,000. So building amount will be reduced by 30,000 towards depreciation, and the value of furniture is 4 lakh. So 4 lakh multiplied by 6% is 24,000. So furniture value will be reduced by 24,000 towards depreciation, and total amount of depreciation that will be debited to PL account will be 54,000. So you have to pass two journal entry. Number one, depreciation account debit to building and to furniture. And the second entry is the profit and loss account debit to depreciation. Profit and loss account debit 54,000 to depreciation account. Rupees 54,000. The fourth adjustment entry is regarding outstanding salary. So your journal entry will be salary account debit 20,000 to salary payable account. Salary is a nominal account and 20,000 will be added with the amount of salary which is given at rupees 50,000 in trial balance. So total amount that will be debited in profit and loss account will be 70,000, and salary payable is a personal account that will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. And the last item is regarding the drawing. So there is a drawing of cash from bank for rupees 12,000. So your drawing account debit 12,000 to cash at bank account 12,000. So these are the 5 adjustment entry given. Number 1 is the closing stock. Number 2 is regarding the prepaid insurance. Then we have to charge depreciation, then salary outstanding, and the last one is regarding the drawings. Now we are going to prepare the profit and loss account as well as the balance sheet. So here I have prepared the structure of the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2020 and the balance sheet as at 31st December 2020. Now what is the first figure given in the trial balance? That is the opening stock. So opening stock will be recorded in the trading account. So I have to record 50,000, the opening stock in trading account. Next item is regarding the purchase. So here in trading account I am writing to purchase 4 lakh and I am writing it in the inner column. As in the question it is given there is a return outward of 8,000. So I will record return outward of 8,000 when I will reach that particular figure in the trial balance. Next item is wages. So wages is also a part of your trading account. So I have to record here to wages 30,000 and there is no adjustment entry regarding wages. Next item is salary. So salary is a part of your PL account, that is profit and loss account. So I have to leave some space here to record the other entries of trading account, and then I am recording here to salary. And I have already discussed that there is an adjustment entry regarding salary, regarding the outstanding salary. So the amount which is given in the salary is 50,000 as shown in the trial balance, and there is an outstanding figure of 20,000. So I have to add up this value of 20,000 here, and 70,000 will be debited to PL account, and in the liability side I have to show here salary payable or salary outstanding. Amount is 20,000. So you have to record the figure both in profit and loss account and balance it simultaneously regarding the adjustment entries. The next item is regarding the carriage inward. So carriage inward is a part of your trading account and I have to record it here. Carriage inward for rupees 10,000. Next item is insurance. So insurance is a part of your profit and loss account and there is a prepaid insurance of rupees 3,000. So I have to record it here. So to insurance 15,000 less prepaid 3,000. So in the outer column you have to record 12,000 and on the asset side you have to record prepaid insurance 3,000. Next item is building and the amount of building is 5 lakh and there is an adjustment entry regarding depreciation. So you have to reduce depreciation by rupees 30,000 and in the outer column you have to record 4,70,000. Regarding depreciation, this amount will be recorded in profit and loss account and I have to write here to depreciation on building 30,000. Next item is furniture. So I have to record furniture in the balance sheet for rupees 4 lakh and less depreciation 24,000. So in the outer column you have to record 3,76,000, and in profit and loss account you have to charge depreciation on furniture for rupees 24,000. In the outer column you record 54,000. Next item is regarding the return inward. So return inward is the sales return. So in the credit side of trading account you have to record sales. So I am just writing here by sales. I am not writing the figure because as I have not reached to that particular figure in the trial balance. So I am recording here less return inward or less return for rupees 12,000. And the last item is cash at bank. So cash at bank is an item of balance sheet and the amount is 50,000. And there is a drawing of cash for rupees 12,000. So in the outer column you have to record 38,000. And drawings you have to reduce it from the amount of capital. So capital less drawings 12,000. So I have to reduce the amount of drawing from cash at bank as well as from capital. So this way I have recorded all the items in the debit side of the trial balance. Now we are coming on the credit side of the trial balance, and the first figure given is regarding the sales. So sales will be recorded in the trading account and the amount is for rupees 8 lakh. So there is a return of 12,000. So safely you can write in the outer column as 7,88,000. Next is the discount received. So discount received is a part of your PL account, and I am writing here by discount received. And the amount is 10,000. Next item is dividend received. So dividend received is also a part of your PL account. And the amount of dividend is rupees 5,000. Next is return outward. So return outward, you have to reduce this amount from purchase. So return outward means purchase return, and the amount is 8,000. So in the outer column you have to record as 3,92,000 for purchase. Next is bank loan. So bank loan will be recorded on the liability side of your balance sheet, and the amount is rupees 3 lakh. There is no interest given, so I am not recording any interest for bank loan. And the last item is the amount of capital for rupees 3,94,000, and I am recording it in the liability side of the balance sheet. So first of all, we have to close the trading account, but before that you have to see the adjustment entry for closing stock. So closing stock is 60,000 that I have to record it in the trading account as well as in the balance sheet. So this way I have recorded all the items which are given on the debit and credit side of the trial balance, and all the adjustment entries has been taken care of. So what is the amount of gross profit? So 2GP is rupees 3,66,000. This is the balancing figure, and the total of the credit side is 8,48,000, and difference is 3,66,000 that you have to show as gross profit. Now the gross profit will be brought down in the profit and loss account, and this will be 3,66,000, and total of the credit side is 3,81,000. And the difference represents the amount of net profit, and this amount of net profit is 2,45,000, which is the balancing figure. So you have to add up the amount of net profit here and the closing capital is rupees 6,27,000. So total of the liability side you have 9,47,000 and the total of asset side is also 9,47,000. So here I am presenting the trading and profit and loss account in one screen. Have a look at it. And this is the balance sheet in one screen. Please have a look at it. So I hope all the students have recorded the question with the solution in your notebook. And if you find any difficulty in understanding, please communicate with me through email and the contact number given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.